Alright, hi everybody. I might just see if we can zoom out a little bit. So this is my design team project for Tsunami Rose for December. Probably a bit late, but better late than never, I suppose. So I've used her Jane Austen Christmas digital kit and just created a TN journal in the junk journal style. So the cover is just some cardstock from the Dear Jane collection, and it's just got some old vintage doilies and some trim on that. Got the doily from a vintage sale. The little flower here is from Enchanted Quilling from Janice, and that's where the seam binding comes from as well. So you'll find her on Etsy and eBay. I will be putting all the links to shops and so forth down in the description box. So the cover is just, there we go. So we have a pocket on the inside, and we've just got ephemera from the Jane Austen Christmas kit, some cards and things to do, more journaling and writing lists. I've actually stuffed this quite well. I could have kept going, but I had to stop. That's from the kit there. It's another pocket. This ephemera is not from the kit. I had some Jane Austen and Regency era ephemera sent to me from Tracy. Hi Tracy. I don't know if it was last year or the year before, and I've just scanned some of it and printed it off to add in here. The gold lace trim here is from A Tattered Dream. Sorry, just had a blank moment. So is the doily. And this printed page here is another digi print from Romantic Letters on Etsy. It's the Victorian Romantic Shabby Kit. And this one here is from Victoria Designs. It's her grunge writing papers. And it's just got some washi tapes. This is a Tim Holtz one. And Eleanor from Snowing Art Dreams and I did a private swap earlier last year, and she sent me some of this washi tape that's got the Regency era ladies on it, so that's there. Not too sure where I got this from. I think it may have been from Pinterest or Google. It's just a very large tag with the Christmas poem on it, and I've just stapled the top to create the tag, and as I've stapled the top, I've actually stapled a little hole at the top through quite a few pages. That crocodile, you really need to watch how you angle that darn thing. This one here is big elements from the kit, and I've just laid some bits and pieces on the bottom. That flips out, some stamping, and the other side's got stamping. The trims that I've used on the end of my paper clips are from Bears and Laces. Hi Julie. Glassine bag is from A Tattered Dream as well. And that's more ephemera from Tracy that I scanned. It's a page from the kit. Just sewed some trim onto that. Page from Pride and Prejudice there. You can read that one. I didn't want to cover too much of it, and then you journal on the back. The baubles that you see, I've just cut up some trim that had the baubles hanging off of it and glued the trim down to the pages. Another pocket with laces and trims. It's just a tag and a journaling card, and you can journal on the back of those. It's doily. Some more from the kit. Some more of that printed Victorian Romantic Shabby paper. It's just printed on vellum. Some more from the kit. Another tag from the kit. It's the other side of the glassine bag. I just cut the side of it open instead of the bottom. It pops a bit of trim on there. Some more from the Jane Austen Christmas TN kit. This is another page from the Victoria Design grungy writing paper, and I've just layered some doilies and a button on the corner there. And that flips open for more journaling, and then on this side we have a tag. Oops, need to put some trim or lace on that. And we have a bit of sari here with some trims and laces. I thought this could have been a part of her Christmas dress that was left over from making it, and she's popped a piece in there. Another doily, some more from the kit here, and another page from Pride and Prejudice. I've just gessoed on that, so you can write over it if you wish to. It's just got some layering on there. Some more journaling space. Some more from the kit. The centre of the signature. Some postcards. Some bookmarks. The bookmarks are not from Tsunami Rose. The postcards are. And a paper clip there, and that flips out. And then on this side we got some stamping, and then another altered tag there. The other side of the Jane Austen Pride and Prejudice page, and I've just laid up some cut off doily trim on there. It just flips up so you can write on that. Another page from the kit. Another one of the Big Elements tags with some lace and trims on it. And on this page here, this Jane Austen stationery kit is from Victoria Designs. So you get the envelopes and some writing paper for more journaling, or as Jenny Miller says, for all your journaling needs. And there goes my husband in the background. I think he's going to come out and talk to me. You watch. And in this pocket here, yep, here he goes. I'm just going to pause for a moment. Okay, so additional ephemera. The stationery here again is from Victoria Designs, from the Jane Austen stationery set. And that ephemera was from Tracy, one of the scanned ones, so it just says address ball. It's from the kit. The ephemera in here is more of Tracy's bits that she sent to me. I'm sure she probably got these from Google, I would think. So that's an LMAX voucher. And this one here is from the Circulating Library. Kit page there. Some journaling space, and we have another tag here that comes off and flips out. And that there is printed on vellum, so you can see it on both sides. I love this. That's from the Romantic Letters on Etsy, the Victorian Romantic Shabby Kit. Some coffee staining there. Some more ephemera in here. Page from the kit. Just did some decoupaging on this one here, and just some layering there with a snowflake and a bulb pin from A Tattered Dream. The tag inside the glassine bag, and the little reindeer is just a wooden piece from Kaisercraft. Oh, now I'm going to struggle with this, aren't I? It's alright, I'll do that off camera. And then just did a little bit of collaging on this side here. Just some more collaging there. The other side of that tag is printed on vellum. And then we have another stationery letter set. It's the front there. And stationery writing set. So the pages go with the envelope, so the ladies dressed there are the ones that are on the stationery paper. Doily, some more journaling space, and in the last pocket here just some more ephemera pieces, as you see in the front, the things to do, and the postcard there. So that's the design team project for Tsunami Rose. This is also going to be first prize winner on a giveaway I'm going to do on my YouTube channel, and I will do the video for that shortly and do the announcement for that giveaway as well. Something different, something exciting that I actually got the idea from Sue Olsen from Innkeeper Journals on YouTube and Etsy, so hopefully that goes to plan. So that's the journal, and I will talk to you all very soon. Bye.